When two market leaders join forces to seize an opportunity, something special usually results. And that's exactly what happened when Shell and Philips Lighting recently implemented a new approach to retail shopping at one of Shell's convenience stores.
We cannot deny that online is on the rise, but sometimes we forget that if you look at the retail sales, that 90% of the sales is still in the store. When we look at Shell, you can imagine that the sales is even more important in the store. But what has changed, really has changed, is the shopper. The shopper is not only in demand, but they also have other expectations of the store. So that's why we need to change the store. To stay ahead of competition as retailer, you have to create nowadays a wow factor for your store. Whether it is merchandising, friendliness in the store, your promotions, you have to give the shopper an experience. The objective of this project was not only to leapfrog the competition, but also to create happy shoppers. In order to be able to fulfill all the roles of the store, you have to create a multi-sensory store environment. And there, lighting comes into place. Because we know that it not only guides shoppers' behavior, but also helps in forging positive feelings.
If we look at a concept here within Shell, if we look at the long lifetime of LEDs, if we look at the extreme energy efficiency, LED was an obvious choice. But next to these two elements of energy efficiency and long lifetime, these days for retailers, LED offer an excellent lighting quality. That means that the products and the product presentation will stand out even better than before. So they enhance the product presentation on the shelves. Building on those features, on the quality of light, Philips has developed several LED flavors, or LED recipes as we call them, which are even more dedicated for certain product categories in the shop. This all leads to a shop with a welcome feeling for customers, where they feel safe and comfortable. If you look at how the lighting behaves during the day, that's where we differ our light intensities per product category in different timings of the day. So, for example, in the morning the coffee will be highlighted, at lunchtime the bread will be highlighted, and at snack time, late afternoon, the snacks will be highlighted, or the impulse goods will be highlighted. By doing so, we combine our LED flavors and the light intensities during the day to attract the customers to the right product categories to enhance sales at the end of the day. So next to the lighting design itself that we offer to Shell, we measured inside this shop the customers and their routing. So we use security cameras for that, where we track the customers where they go, in which direction, in which areas of the shop they come at the end of the day, and how long they are in a certain area.
Ja, je komt met een heel ander gevoel binnen. Ik vind het anders is het te schoon, te netjes en koude tegels. Nou, wat me opgevallen is dat de belichting anders is. Het geeft een veel warmer gevoel. De schappen zijn mooier, het is netjes ingedeeld. Er wordt brood verkocht, dat geeft ook een hele prettige indruk. Dus je komt veel meer in een gezellige winkel kom je binnen.
The analysis showed that the effects on customers were substantial. The light flavors and LED recipes enhanced the look of the displays in 3 ways. Firstly, the full spectrum ensures a vibrant brightness that feels natural and prevents a feeling of harshness. Secondly, the increased light levels in strategic areas maximize the impression of hygiene, which is associated with freshness. And finally, the unique tuning of the spectrum brings out the natural colors of the food and makes the bright colors of the packaging stand out.
During the development of this new store format of Shell, I experienced Philips as an enthusiastic, collaborative and reliable partner. They not only demonstrate a thorough knowledge of the lighting possibilities, but they were also willing to invest in innovative, tailor-made solutions. Next to that is that lighting is often seen as a decorative store element, but you also have a business side effect of lighting. So they were also willing to conduct a shopper behavior research to look after the business results of lighting concepts.
So I would say it's another example of the innovative power of Philips beyond illumination.